How to add removed friends back on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add removed friends back on Snapchat. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your Snapchat. After you're on your Snapchat, simply go to your chat section. Now here you should find the list of your friends. Now if you simply want to remove one, so let me remove one friend. So head over to your three dots on the top right, head over to manage friendship and then tap on remove friend and then remove him. So after you remove the friend, what you want to do to add him back is simply tap on the search bar on the top right. After you tap on the search bar, simply search for your friend's username. So after you search for your friend's username, it will pop up on the add friends option. You can simply head over to their profile and then tap on add. So after you tap on add, now they should accept your friend request. And after they do so, yeah, that is basically how you add back friends that you removed from your friend list. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.